So we are off on another adventure. We're actually on our way to Mexico. In this particular video, I'm probably going to make this our intro and put a whole bunch of little travel video type stuff. What in the world is this? Anyway, little travel videos, smaller videos with it. Look at that thing. A little bump in the... Interesting. Anyway, come on with us because we're going to Mexico right now. And I'll show you some other videos because we're just out here living. Exploring edition. See, that wall does exist. Liars, people be lying. And that's actually USA on the other side of it. Technically, the other side of that fence. That's for right here. Los Algodones. Well, this area is definitely not quite as busy as it was in Nuevo Progreso. Did I say that right? I kind of sounded Spanish, didn't I? Because Nuevo Progreso down this way, and come this way. Yeah. But you see that the roads are pretty clean. I like it. And that's the main road there. They do a good job. I'm actually a little impressed by it so far, just the cleanliness and everything. However, yeah. But we do have a lot of people still trying to push the optical, dental, and pharmacia. Yeah. No manicure, pedicure yet, but we'll see. Oh, check out this store. They got a lot, and it's a lot. However, they don't tell you that most of it says it's made in China. They'll take those stickers off. But they got a lot of kind of cool stuff, though. I like it. I mean, some of these are that's metal. And they got a whole other section. Ooh, that's me. They got a whole other section on the other side of this wall here. It keeps going and going. Got all the colors. Holy cow! Just to eat. We got live music back there. I was just singing. Places to sit. And shops, of course. Always trying to sell you something. That's what you drink when you're in Mexico. Yeah, that's live music. That's why I can record while they're doing this. Lots of stuff for sale everywhere, even in the restaurants. Not to take a break and take a drink of this. Food's here. That one was 12 bucks. Get that in the US. Now that one's 9. Good size. That's my beer. They give you this sauce too, which is kind of interesting. It's like a bean sauce, but it's got some spice to it, just a little bit. Ready? The line to get out. It's been a half an hour now. Well, a half an hour's not bad, but we're not out yet. So we gotta go over to the other side of that swamp and head back that direction. Right there's the end. Gotta head back that direction.
I've got you on with the rest of the girls. That's why the lady is a tramp. I love it. Used to stay, and so the best that I can do is pray. For once I got someone I know won't desert me. I'm not alone anymore. Oh, for once I can say this is mine and you can't take it. On the other babe, you can bet we're gonna make it. For once in my life, I've got someone who needs me.
And this place here's got a lot of aliens out front, like that guy. Number 16. That guy. Got a few here. May go inside and take a look at some. Okay. In the back they got a diner. The Area 51 store. There's tons of t-shirts. Most of them are full too. Something. I like the displays. You can actually find your size in here. I gotta be one.
Greetings, Earthling. I am the oldest alien fortune teller in the universe. I've got some words of wisdom for you. Just come closer.
Everybody love you here. This food, this fast. Here we go, man. Oh, yeah. See it? Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah, coming on board.
So if you ever watch Storage Wars, right now we're at a place called Show Me Your Junk. It's owned by Daryl Sheets, who does those Storage Wars shows. I'm going to take a look around. If I got something interesting, maybe I'll show it to you. If not, that'll be it. Nice, got a Cobra in here. I like it. I guess it's for sale. They're all for sale, right? Neat place. Well, he does have a cool place. A lot of different stuff like this. Chain link armor. It is a cool place. It's a really nostalgic kind of place. Nothing's cheap. He wants regular retail for it, which is fine. This is a retail store. Parade. Veterans Day Parade. Yuma, Arizona. You should be here too. Why in the world am I on this huge street with nobody on it? I think I scared him away with this outfit. Possible. Or you could assume that there was a parade today, seeing as how I'm dressed, and it just got over with. In fact, some of it's right down there. It's about 4 miles right here in Yuma, Arizona. Good parade, good time.